Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'll be showing you how I did these cute Eeyore nails. So I am starting off with Madam Glam's Perfect Black to do the outline. And then I will be using my MIDI brush in Minty Zero to do all of the artwork. So before I had started, I already sketched the outline in a pencil, and then now I'm going in and tracing it with the black gel. I had learned this technique from Sarah's Nail Secrets, so make sure to go check her out. And then I am flash curing every now and then just to make sure that that gel stays in place. So after we have the whole black outline done, I will give that a full cure, and then from here we're basically using that outline like a coloring book and coloring in the lines. So I'm using Chic Madame from Madame Glam, and we're going to use this for the darker part of Eeyore's ear. And I am flash curing in between each color. So now I'm using Madame Glam's Workaholic. This one is going to be for Eeyore's snout. And now I'm going to use Madame Glam's Perfect White. This is going to be for the white of his eyes. And then for the color of Eeyore, I did mix two colors from Madame Glam together, light lilac and aqua blue. And I did put a little bit more purple to the blue, and then I found that perfect like Eeyore color. It's so fun coloring him in and seeing him come to life. He's so cute. And it's okay if your coloring is not perfect, because you're going to go back over and do a second outline over that black anyways. And then for the background, I'm using Kiara Sky's Warm Lavender. So now you can see I'm going back over that black outline and just straightening everything out and making everything perfect. so now that Eeyore is done, we're going to move on to the rest of the nails. And I'm going to be using Madame Glam's Denim Jacket. This one is part of their fuzzy collection. So this one really reminded me of a similar Eeyore color, and then it had that fuzzy in it, so it's super cute and playful. So we're going to paint this on my ring finger and then on my thumb as well. And then I'm going to be using Kiara Sky's Warm Lavender, which I had used as the background for Eeyore. And I'm going to do a full coat on my pinky and my pointer finger. So I do 2 coats on all of the nails. And now we're going to use Kiara Sky's Sweet Plum. And so this one is supposed to give kind of like a lacy texture on top of the nail. So I'm going to do a fade on my pointer finger and my pinky finger. So after that was done, I kind of thought that the nail still needed something else. So I decided to go in and put Eeyore's tail on my ring finger. So I'm doing that same technique, except I'm freehanding it this time instead of using a pencil outline. So I'm going in, drawing the tail with Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and then I'll go in and fill it in. And here I didn't like how the tail looked, so I just took some acetone on a brush and took that off. So I did mix a little bit of black with Madame Glam's Chic Madame to kind of create that shadow for the bow. And then for the nail, I'm using Kiara Sky's Smoky Smog. So now we're going to go in and top coat all of the nails. I am going to use my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And the top coat just smooths out all of the artwork and makes everything come together so beautifully. And so here's what the final results look like. These nails came out super cute. They are still kind of wintry, and I was definitely in the mood to do a character nail. So that is how I do my character nails. Again, I got this technique from Sarah's Nail Secrets, so make sure to go check her out. Make sure you guys subscribe, leave a comment down below if you want me to do more character nails in the future, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!